Hello friends, welcome back to my recruitment channel. Friends, in this video today we are going to discuss that how to use the alert option for saved searches in the Naukri portal. Friend, this option is going to be so helpful. In this video we will cover the three topics, that how to use the alert option for saved searches, and how is this alert option beneficial for us, and last, how to disable it if already you have clicked on this alert option. So friends, let's move to further. Before that, this is my Miss Technical Recruiter channel. If you have not subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button. Now let's move to the live demo. I will show you that how to use alert option with the live demo, that how I'm going to get an email after clicking on this alert option. Hope you will continue watching this video till the end so that you will understand it better. Okay, let's move to the live demo. So friends, this is our Chrome screen. What you have to do here, in a search bar you mention the regex. Directly you will go to the Naukri portal. There is an option of the regex. Click on the second option, manage searches. Here three options are there. You can see my saved searches. Then whatever searches you have saved already, it is reflected here. On the right side there is option of the alert. You have to click on the three options. You are going to get daily, weekly and monthly. It depends that what is the kind of requirement. If it is an urgent requirement, you are going to get, you have to work on this requirement on a daily basis, monthly and weekly basis. On the basis of that you click on this option. Suppose I work on this guide wire requirement once in a week, I'm going to click on this weekly option. After clicking on this alert option, let me tell you how this all the further process works. Once I click on this weekly option, I am going to get a mail from the regex on a weekly basis. It is going to give me a notification mail on my mail ID. Let me show you that how the mail we get. This is the Outlook window, friend. In Outlook you can see in the search bar I have mentioned the regex. Here all the emails I'm going to get related to the regex. Whatever mails related to the regex, it is going there. So many mails are here, so you can estimate that how frequently I use this regex option, this alert option. This is so beneficial, that is why I use it. Let me take the example of the second, this mail. Here the title, see the title is also very like amazing. 100 plus new CVs found matching search data engineer. What does it mean? Means suppose 5 days ago I was working for the position data engineer. That time I saved my search, clicked on the alert option, and after 5 days this Naukri found 100 plus new CVs. Means 100 plus new candidate also got registered, created their new profile on the Naukri portal. So these new registered candidate, it is going to tell me ki these are the below candidates which have registered on the Naukri portal, newly profiles on the Naukri portal. You can have a look on that. So there are more chances to get the new profiles, like maybe like some conversion we are going to get from the new registered profiles, because lot of nowadays you can see in IT market duplicity issue we face a lot. Already interviewed, already duplicate on the client portal. Generally it happens. So that is why I prefer ki whatever the new registered candidates are there, so it helps to avoid the duplicity of the candidate. Also we somewhere like new candidates with the new mindset, lots of things are there. So friends, here in the mail body it is not going to show you the 100 plus new CVs. If you want to see all the 100 plus new CVs, so you have to click on this regex option. Once you click on this regex, it will directly take you to the Naukri portal login credential. After putting the Naukri ID and password, you can see all the 100 plus new CVs. But in a mail body, it is going to show you only top 10 CVs matching to your saved search. Here you can see like this is a candidate. Mandatory detail we can see here only, like total year of experience, CTC, location, education and skill set, primary skill set. If you want to view this candidate profile, then click on this option. Again it will take you to the login credential of the Naukri portal. After login, you can see this candidate whole profile along with the resume. So in this way 10 top resumes are here only. Remaining 90 CVs you can see after click on this regex option. So in this way friends, we can use we can use this alert option. And suppose the second, this is the first thing, that how we use the alert option and how it is beneficial for us. Now third thing, like how, suppose like this position is closed, now I don't need this kind of email from the regex. Then again disable this alert option. How we can do that? Go to the regex. Again my saved search is guide wire alert option. You will get disable alert. Once I click on disable alert, we are not going to get any email from the regex portal, Naukri portal. So friends, in this way, like this regex alert option works. This is so helpful. I use it frequently. I would also like to suggest you make a habit to use this option. Somewhere it will help you a lot. Okay friends, I hope this video is so helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep updated with the new videos, new basic videos I am going to upload for the Naukri portal to the recruitment industry, generally, which may help you a lot in your career. Okay, let's meet in a second video, new video with the new things. Thank you so much friends for watching this video.